Welcome back to Olsa Tools, Grease and Gears, the podcast where we dive into the latest and greatest tools to help you get the job done. We've got something special for all you professional and DIY mechanics and handy folks out there. We're talking about a game changer in the world of small yet mighty tools, the Pocket Pry Bar 3-piece set. Imagine this. You're working on a project and you need to get into a tight space. Your regular pry bar is too big, and a flathead screwdriver just won't cut it. Enter the Pocket Pry Bar Set. This trio includes 3 mini pry bars with straight 27 degrees and 55 degrees angles. Whether you're dealing with electrical connectors, plastic trim pieces, or any other task that requires precision in tight spaces, these pry bars have got you covered. Let's break down what makes these pry bars a must-have in your tool arsenal. First, the engineering. These pry bars are meticulously crafted for delicate tasks. Have you ever struggled with opening electrical connectors with locking tabs? Or maybe you needed to remove plastic trim pieces without damaging them. These pry bars are designed to handle those tasks with ease, making your work smoother and more productive. Despite their small size, don't underestimate their power. Each of these 5-inch pry bars packs a punch, fitting perfectly into your pocket or tool pouch. No more running back and forth to your toolbox. Whether you're on site or on the go, these tiny tools offer convenience without sacrificing functionality. Durability is another key feature. Made from durable steel, these pry bars are built to withstand the rigors of daily use. They're designed for a lifetime of reliable service. And with a convenient clip on each pry bar, storage and transportation are a breeze. You can keep your tools tidy and always within reach. Let's face it, we've all used a flathead screwdriver as a pry bar at some point, but it's not always ideal. These purpose-built mini pry bars are specifically designed for prying applications, offering the strength and accessibility you need. With 3 different angles, you can easily navigate tight spaces and pry at odd angles effortlessly. To sum it up, the Pocket Pry Bar 3-piece set is all about versatility and efficiency. Whether you're popping open electrical connectors or removing plastic trim pieces in vehicle interiors, these pry bars ensure a smooth and damage-free operation. They're compact, durable, and engineered to make your tasks easier. So if you're looking to upgrade your toolkit with something small but mighty, the Pocket Pry Bar 3-piece set is definitely worth considering. You'll wonder how you ever managed without them. Thanks for tuning in to Olsa Tools, Grease and Gears. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a review if you enjoyed this episode. Until next time, keep it cool and greasy.